If rollerblading has taught me anything, is that doggies don't like humans on wheels, but it's okay, they're threatened by what they can't understand. But I gotta prepare for the worst and get my pepper spray ready. My dad's a mailman, don't judge me, I've seen it all. They haven't noticed me, and I spoke too soon. Please hold on to their leashes, don't let them slip loose. Gotta make a run for it. And I think I'm in the clear. Oh shit. Someone dropped black rocks here. I'm gonna trip and fall. Verminkles, verminkles, verminkles. I did it. Hi friend, I'm not panicking right now.